Yeah, we are excited as well. Sip and Chew with Mike and Stu. Welcome back to Studio 10.
Hey, thanks for having us on.
Yes, thank you.
I heard you guys had a conversation with Chelsea earlier on your show.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, a lot of fun.
You were out of town, but I handled it.
I was up at Lookout Mountain for my girlfriend's birthday.
That's a valid excuse.
We were hiking.
We'll let you take that. Hey, beautiful scenery out there as well.
Absolutely. This was her first time to see Little River Canyon, to see DeSoto Falls, to see the mountain itself.
Yeah.
And then people, you don't think about it. We live down here with this beautiful beaches, but we also have one of the most beautiful Appalachian settings in the northern part of the state, 5 or 6 hours away. This state has everything.
This segment brought to you by Explore Alabama. Sip and Chew with Mike and Stu. So tell us about your radio show, and one of the exciting things we wanted to bring you on to talk about is you're up for some awards. Talk to us about that.
Well, we're almost been on the air 6 years now, and we're probably the ambassadors about talking about local, support local, be local, buy local. And somebody out there noticed us, and we're nominated for a Taste Award out in California. We fly out Sunday morning, and it's for Best Radio Food and Wine Broadcast in the nation.
How great is that?
Yeah, it's a long title, but
it's a long title.
The Taste Awards are kind of very similar to the way the Emmys and the Academy Awards work, but it's focused on food, fashion, lifestyle, travel programming, and not just television. It's all platforms.
Podcasting, radio.
Man, that is so great. So if folks have not had a chance to listen to Sip and Chew with Mike and Stu before, they're definitely going to want to listen now after hearing that. How can they listen to you guys?
Every Sunday morning on FM Talk 106.5. Sunday morning, 8 o'clock. I know it's early. Sunday morning.
We do a Facebook Live of the show while we're broadcasting it,
cool.
so you can go on our Facebook page, which is just Sip and Chew, and catch that. We put the audio podcast on there as well, so that you can get all of that. And what we like to do mainly on the show is celebrate all of our local ingredients, artisans, restaurants, and we've got some of these things with us. Now, Chelsea is chomping at the bits for this pizza, but I know you're going to fight her for it.
Oh yeah, we're like the arm wrestle competition is coming.
You get a slice of pizza from one of the national chains, you're going to get an okay slice of pizza. But you go to one of our local places. This is from Sim's House of Pizza. Our food renaissance is no longer isolated to downtown Mobile.
Right.
Further west, Briquette's probably one of the best steakouts in the state.
So good.
And then Sim's House of Pizza, I mean, this is the real deal New York style. And you see this little slice here, that's bigger than most places' mediums. I've got some desserts here from Coletta Baked Goods and Italian cuisine. Ooh. This is just a chocolate cake. This is a matcha, which is a powdered green tea cheesecake.
Wow.
And of course, you've had the guys from Keys on.
Yeah, they've been on the show before. Great Southern spice, a little like hint of cinnamon or something in it that makes it feel a little bit different, but it's a great spice to pour on a lot of your different foods that you have out there. Now, coming up in the next segment, you're going to do some cooking here as well.
Right. I'm going to do an ALT with another local ingredient, Hall's andouille sausage. All right. And the A is andouille lettuce and tomato. All
right, sounds good. Looking forward to that. Talking to you guys some more about all this kind of stuff. I'm going to leave it for now. The battle has not taken place. The battle for the pizza, Chelsea.
We are back in the kitchen with my new friends Mike and Stu making some Molé slaw.
Yeah, just going to do a quick little twist on the slaw here. And
this throws me off.
Okay.
I'm really excited to try it.
We know this part of the dressing, right?
Right, mayonnaise of course.
And I'll be honest with you, I don't like most mayonnaise-based slaws. I like the vinegar-based slaws, like curtido from Mexico. The Jewish slaw is done in vinegar.
I respect it.
As well.
Yeah.
But this one got a little different thing. I'm going to add Molé, and we were talking during the break.
Yes.
If you don't know what Molé is, it is a sauce from Oaxaca, Mexico. And one of the primary flavor ingredients is dark chocolate.
Chocolate. I did not know this. So is it in guacamole too?
No.
Or is that a different mole?
That's a different mole. That's with avocado is the main thing. But I mean, I'm just going to mix the mole into the mayonnaise, and then I'm going to mix the coleslaw into my dressing, and we're ready to go.
Dark chocolate coleslaw.
Dark chocolate coleslaw.
I'm so excited. This is going to be really good. I like mixing different flavors together and trying it out, because usually the most odd flavors combined sometimes make the greatest taste and the greatest recipes.
This man makes a root beer barbecue sauce.
No way. I feel
award-winning too.
I'll have to try that. But you guys have some fundraisers coming up to help you guys get to California.
Well, you know, when we were notified that we were finalists for the Taste Awards, we had very small window to get there. And you know, when you're a chef and you sell wine here, you don't make a whole lot of money. So we don't. So we had to depend on our friends and our customers and they all came together and they stepped up. Tony Sawyer at Bob's Diner downtown, he stepped up and said, I challenge everybody else in Mobile to put up $100, and they just started coming in.
That's awesome.
We're still a little short. Right. We're gonna be quasi servers tonight at
quasi celebrities.
Celebrity servers.
We're not even quasi servers.
Y'all are definitely
tonight at Le Bichon Wine Bar in Daphne. Here's the address and all that right here. Beautiful wine bar, and friends of mine own it, and they've said, hey, why don't you come be quasi-celebrity servers tonight. So we're going in making tips so we can help pay for our trip.
Well, that's going to be awesome.
We're begging for money.
Well, you've got to get there somehow, and funding. I mean, you guys the community is so proud of you guys for this incredible nomination, and so of course we got to get you there and hopefully bring it back.
Well, that too. That too. But yeah, we're so excited about it, and it's not very many people from this area have been nominated for this.
Right.
I think Pete Bloom from Panini Pete's, he's been nominated before.
Yeah, for a video series.
For a video. It was a great video series. So we're honored. You know, even if we don't win, the experience is going to be well. There's going to be a lot of producers and stuff out there. And
I'm going to geek out on the chefs. You know that.
Hey, that's okay.
Last time I met Nathan Lyon, who was the Guy Fieri beat out on Food Network Star, and he's since gone on to have 3 Emmy-nominated shows.
Wow.
Bobby Bogner, who hosted Food Tech on History Channel.
Yeah.
Mindy Kaling from The Office was there. And at least one model that I talked to the entire time like this, so how's it like being a model? I guarantee you without heels she was 6'4".
Hey, well, they're tall. It's part of the job description.
And had a degree in biomicrobiology, some kind of thing. She was brilliant.
Smart and beautiful.
Right,
you can't,
and super tall.
It's super tall. The 3 best combinations to put together. So if somebody wants to help you out, if they can't go tonight to the wine bar, how can they do so?
Just go to our Facebook page and send us a message on Messenger.
Yeah.
And we've been real fortunate and real blessed that people really stepped up in a lot of different ways. And people have donated airline miles and all that stuff. See, the James Beard Award, they've got 3 months to prepare for it. And we didn't. We had like a month or less.
Yeah, I think the Taste Award, and this is their 10th year, it keeps having to change because they have such a broad media palette that, you know, it constantly changes. I was out there in 2011, right after Cam Newton had that cam back, and and it was in the Egyptian Theater, which is just as beautiful as Grauman's Chinese Theater, and just so many people there of all walks of life, and it's really interesting. And you know, I went out there as a rube from Alabama thinking, oh, LA is going to be scary. I had the time of my life in Hollywood.
I would love to go.
Yeah, and I see why, you know, what, 17 million people live in that area.
Yeah.
It's, you know, it's pretty exciting. So I'm getting ready to show my girlfriend. She's not been out there yet. I don't know if Lou has been, but
going out west.
Going out west.
That's going to be fun.
With the Beverly Mobilities.
That is going to be fun. So with Joe coming up next, what are you guys doing real fast?
I'm going to do that ALT sandwich.
Oh, I know we're excited. All right, let's check out our weather with Joe and Michael.
Holy moly. Back in the kitchen.
Holy moly.
Holy moly. Holy moly. Got to work on it. So that was the slaw that we made. We call it Holy Moly slaw.
All right, and now I'm working on the ALT. And what I've done is I took this Conecuh sausage, or Conecuh, listen to me. This is better.
That would be a CLT.
We just lost a sponsor.
Forgive me there. Actually, sometime we need to talk about it. There's a very interesting link between Hall's and Conecuh. And if it wasn't for Hall's sausage, we wouldn't have Conecuh in Mobile County. It's a good little story. If you ever get Deborah on, ask her about it. So I'm taking, this is the andouille that Hall's makes, in Chickasaw. And I'm turning it and slicing it so that it looks like a slice of bacon.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I did that.
By the way, if you're just joining us, Sip and Chew with Mike and Stu in the kitchen this morning. Happy to have you guys here as always. All right, tell me about this.
All right, so I used another pan. This is my Gotham steel pan. That keeps it from curling up. And, you know, now I'm just going to make a sandwich. Now, I've got a little remoulade here. Use your favorite recipe if you like pesto mayo, anything like that you want to use. This, y'all got this on your website.
Yeah. Tell me again, just for the folks who want to know, just briefly, what's in there a little bit?
Mayonnaise, blackening seasoning, crushed garlic, and a little bit of Creole mustard.
Oh, all the good stuff.
Just a very simple thing. And I'm just going to add my lettuce on here. Everybody knows how to make a BLT.
Sure, I'll let you build that. Let's talk a little bit over there to Mike. So tell me about that sign up there, this wine and tapas bar.
We're doing tonight, we're doing a fundraiser at Le Bichon, Tapas and Wine Bar in Daphne. All the tips, we get to keep all the tips.
Nice.
That's ours. That's ours, and that we're going to use to help pay for our trip.
All right, and your trip, of course, again, for the folks who haven't seen the previous segments, heading to California.
Had to go to California. We're going to Beverly Hills, where the show is, and we're excited. I couldn't even hardly sleep last night. And,
try and get us an award.
Trying to get an award, and it's a great honor to go. I mean, people can say, well, you've already won just by going.
Did I mess up the presentation? You putting it all together? I'll let you do that. Guys, we're going to let you plate that up. When we come back, we'll show the finished product. Congrats on your award and your upcoming trip. You can see them tonight at the Tapas Bar. We'll be right back with more Studio 10 after this.
Don't you take a bite out of the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
We'll see you guys tomorrow in Studio 10. I'm about to beat all these guys in an arm wrestle. Take the